Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new 2026 year model Harris 250 Solstice. All right, so 250 Solstice, traditionally our #1 selling luxury pontoon, but we sell a pile of these things because the level of fit and finish you get for the money just seems to make a really, really good fit for a lot of people. So extra long bench seating up front, that's the main difference between the 230 and 250. You just get a lot more seating up here. Double USB ports in all your mouse hole cutouts where the cup holders are all the way around. In-floor ski locker. This one has the new built-in trash can. It's built into the ski locker. Also has a new see-through front gate, which I really like. That way you can leave that front gate closed as you're pulling into the dock and actually see out through the front. So one of our two most popular floor plans also. This is the SL, which is a single lounge, rear-facing chase with a flip-down armrest. Also available with the second captain seat here. They just removed this piece of furniture. Extra captain seat goes here. Flip-flop backrest. You can also flip those up as a forward-facing chase. Flip-down swim seat. Got the best lily pad ladder in, really in the business. Also, double bimini top. So bimini will shade from the front all the way back to here, so you got tons of shade. Elevated helm and the new widescreen Simrad with the big sound pack. So this does have the JL audio with the extra subs and the extra amps. It's the biggest sound pack I can order from the factory. So really, really nice boat. And I love the color combination of this one. So if you have any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call.